Malapit na kami. Magsusundo kami ng aming bisita. Look like we're everything is familiar. So we drive here around before?
Yep. Right here.
It says Mel.
Right here.
Hi.
That's where Brian works.
Who?
Brian, the guy that fixed my transmission in my truck. Rebuilt Jake's transmission in his truck.
Oh, it's not the one that... okay, when you said transmission, I thought the engine.
No, this truck had the transmission work done. I had to have it done there. One of the oldest McDonald's in the city. In the state, actually.
The oldest McDonald's?
One of the
One of the oldest.
oldest. The oldest one is down in San Diego.
Oh, yeah?
13th Street. Yeah, that's where Ray Kroc was originally from. Somewhere in San Diego County there.
Oh.
Let's see. What street is this? This is Baseline. Okay, we gotta watch that. Chuck's! There's Chuck's.
Who needs Chucks?
I don't know. But it's Chuck's. Oh, that wasn't nice.
No. Well, it was yellow though. You could keep going.
No.
Where are we? The kids'
street.
car lot. The kids' car lot? What does that mean?
I don't know. Some kid that owns a car lot.
Oh, look at that.
What?
That line right there. That's a bird poops.
That's what it looks like.
Right there, see? Ay, ay, ay.
9th Street.
What street are we looking at?
Rialto.
That's not... Oh,
Rialto Street.
I thought you said E.
We're on
We are on E. Oh, so we're looking for Rialto.
8th Street. Seventh Street.
Okie dokie.
Sixth Street.
So this is downtown.
Think wise credit union. This is downtown. That's the county building right there.
That one right there?
That one right there.
That one right there.
That's one of the county buildings. The courthouse is up a little further.
Farther. We used to go there a lot when you have project in where was that project? The one in Winchester?
The county?
Yeah, we used to go there to get a permit.
Uh-huh.
Riverside, it's
They
called.
were pretty easy to go through.
Oh yeah. And also the one in what's the other one? The one the Indian lady. Remember her? The Indian lady. The
Down in Banning.
Banning, yeah.
That's why we came here.
Yeah. Banning, and then after Banning we went to Winchester. That's really far. Is this it? We're here? Not yet?
Did I say we were?
Well, I saw bus stop, so I thought that's...
It's not a bus. It's
Oh.
a train station.
Oh, we're not looking for a bus.
No, we're looking for Rialto Boulevard.
Venue this way.
Second Street. Core.
Vans.
Ross. Dress for less.
Oh. Oh, look guys, Halloween costume. Trick or treat.
Here's Rialto. So the train station right there.
Ah, okay.
Oh, there's a train track too. You know, I think you're going to turn, but you're sitting here
Thinking
thinking about it.
about it. You can turn now. There you
Always
go.
gotta straight.
Straight. And we are turning San Bernardino Transit Center.
It's gotta be up here somewhere. Okay. See an entrance here. Looks like one right there.
This one right here, it doesn't look like it
Why doesn't it?
because there's see? How do you get there?
I don't know. To trains that way.
I'll go. You want me to walk and look for him?
No.
Where is the
No, you're on this.
food for this that he said
I
across?
don't know. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay.